A DLP chip?
CPU.
Oh, CPU.
We got the tray disconnected. Like his turn on stick. Oh,
we got some.
Wow.
that one's cool.
That's pretty. There's all that sand in there.
Yep. That's neat when it flames up, really.
Smoking stuff. Sounds like you're making popcorn.
Something like that.
Something. That one was cool.
I got more processors I can bring in.
What was
We
that?
need some tongs.
That
Processor.
was the best one so far.
Yeah, nice fires. And,
Yeah, here you go. It's got the pliers so you can show it.
oh, just pick it up, you wuss.
How's it smell in there, Greg?
Oh, just an IC?
CPU. Yeah, the computer.
You gotta show them what it's down there.
Yeah.
There you
Need
go.
some light on it.
Yeah, it's all good.
Next.
You do the egg next?
Solder.
Saturday.
Braided